Hey everyone, welcome to this video series on LINQ. I'm Munir Hussain, a senior software engineer and an architect with over a decade of experience working on .NET platform and a part-time instructor at Viday. In this series, we are going to dive deep into language integrated query or LINQ, one of the most powerful and efficient features in cSharp. Whether you are new to LINQ or looking to sharpen your skills, I will guide you through everything from basic queries to advanced techniques. We'll explore how LINQ can help you work with data more efficiently, simplify your code, and improve productivity. Along the way, we'll cover real-world scenarios, optimization techniques, and how LINQ integrates seamlessly with .NET ecosystem. If you are ready to level up your development and gain deeper understanding of how to query and manipulate data using LINQ, you are in the right place. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Let's jump right in. Before we start to know more about LINQ, you should be able to grasp the technical concepts, and for that to happen, you should have some basic understanding of C#. If you have some experience working on C#, you are already ready to dive in. You should have a solid understanding working with variables. That said, you should know what primitives like int, floats, decimals are, and what custom data types like classes and structs are. As programmers, we can't just live without loops. You should know about while, for each, and do while loops and how to effectively use them. You should know what functions are and how and why we create the modular structure of code. We are in modern age, we can't just depend on functions only. That said, you should know what classes, interfaces, structs are. Particularly, you should know why we encapsulate data and code together in a class. You should know, of course, what good interfaces serves to abstract away the concrete implementations. What you should also know is some understanding of generics collection and extension methods, and of course the delegates. If you are unsure about any of these concepts, please consider learning them first. Well, this course will equip you with all the techniques programming in LINQ. You will leave the traditional way of programming and begin to think in terms of LINQ. We will not only learn what is LINQ, but I will practically show you why you should consider learning LINQ and what is the philosophy behind this. Not just in theory, but in practical. We will see how Microsoft extends its base collections. We will inspect the flavors of LINQ. We will learn how LINQ works with different data sources. We will see how callback function concept solves the recurring problems in programming. We will implement most of the LINQ methods, if not all. This is a practical course, and you will have to wrap up your sleeves and make your hands dirty with code. I will show you how to install Visual Studio and set up the project. However, you are free to use any editor of your choice. We'll have some insights and recap generics, extension methods, and delegates. We'll inspect code and see what IntelliSense says about a particular extension method in Visual Studio. We'll go through each and every extension method, that too with overloads. We'll learn filtering, projection, sorting, aggregation, grouping, joining, combining results. As LINQ start gaining popularity, people including Microsoft start making their own libraries. These libraries are popularly known as LinqProviders. We'll learn working on some of the most popular providers out there and the providers that help you as a developer to simplify your programming experience. Some of the link providers are link to objects, link to XML, link to entities, entity framework, link to CSV, SQL, Bing, link to DB, Excel, Google, JSON, and the list goes on. SharePoint, Twitter. You will learn the advanced techniques and equip yourself with the way that shows you how to code efficiently, make maintainable and highly performant link code. We will see what's the difference between deferred and immediate execution and how it can improve the performance of the link queries. We will write some of the complex queries and I will show you how to write them. We will see what the use of anonymous types in LINQ, lambda expressions, link and null handling. We will see what is p-link and what the use of async await in LINQ. We will see how to improve the performance of the link queries and see how to do profiling in LINQ. I will show you practical use cases and real world scenarios which will help you in day-to-day work. We will see how to generate reports, joins, entity framework, and I will generally suggest you to code along with me. Let's dive in.